Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Connecting your Freshen Rebel Smart Finder to your iPhone is a quick process that uses the Apple Find My app. This small device helps you keep track of your keys, bags, or wallet using your smartphone. First, make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth turned on and is connected to the internet. Take your Smart Finder out of the box and pull the plastic battery tab to power it on. You should hear a short beep when it activates. Now, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Items tab. Tap the plus icon or the button that says Add Item. Choose the option labeled Other Supported Item from the menu. Your phone will start searching for nearby devices. Hold your Smart Finder close to your iPhone during this step. Once the app finds your tracker, tap Connect. You will be asked to give your Smart Finder a name. Type in a name like keys or backpack. You can also pick an emoji to represent the item. Review the terms and tap Agree to link the device to your Apple ID. Your Smart Finder is now officially registered and ready to use. You can see its location on the map or play a sound to find it if it is nearby. If you ever lose the item, you can put it in lost mode through the same app. This setup ensures your belongings stay safe and easy to find whenever you need them. The connection process is simple and only takes a minute to finish.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.